Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is subtracting the following, and we have to subtract 2,374,917 minus 1,411,418. 2,374,917 minus 1,411,418. Do that subtraction. 7 minus 8 is not possible, so we borrowed from tens place. 7 will convert it to 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. That 1 will convert it to 0. Again 0 minus 1 is not possible, so we borrowed from hundreds place. That 9 converted to 8 and 1, that 0 converted to 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 minus 4 is not possible again, so we borrowed from that millions place. 2 will convert it to 1 and 3 will convert it to 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. Hence 2,374,917 minus 1,411,418 is 963,499.